How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English. So stick around until the end to get all the details. Now, if you have been trying to watch Naruto Shippuden on Netflix, you might have noticed that they only offer a subtitle version and no English audio is available there. But don't worry, I've got you covered. The platform you will want to use is Crunchyroll. It's completely safe, legal, and free to use with ads. Or you can subscribe to the premium plan for ad-free experience. Either way, it's a great option. Okay, let's get back to the video. Start by opening the Crunchyroll app and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the search bar and type Naruto Shippuden. The series should appear in the search result. Tap on it. Now pick any episode you want to watch. And once video starts playing, it will likely default to the original Japanese audio. But don't worry, changing it into the English is super easy. Now while the video is playing, tap on the gear icon at the top of the screen. And if an ads pop up, let it play through first, and once you are in the settings, tap on audio and you will see the option to switch from Japanese to English. Select English and you're good to go. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Naruto Shippuden with English audio. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.